Hello guys, we use smartphone Realme C35, this version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory. Open box, look completation to this device. In completation we have documentary, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. This all completation. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On this side, triple camera and flat. On front side, 6.6-inch display. On this side, power key, long case, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on device and wait load. Turn on device. Okay. Display 6.6-inch Full HD Plus. This IPS display. Okay. Open Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. Android 11. CPU Unisoc T616. This octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores. GPU Mali G57. Resolution display PPA. Look results. Single core score and multi-core score. And GPU test results. Okay. For this, look under the benchmark. Under the benchmark results. Multi-touch test. Device support 10 touches. Okay, close. Close this. Open demand in the game GTA San Andreas. Look how this game works on the device. Racing game. Game works very good without lags and glitches on the max graphic level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.